GenAI was phase 1. Now we are entering something bigger. This is the Agentic AI era where apps not only answer your question but they also take action. If you are a developer in India right now, then this shift could define your career because when everyone is still learning prompts, the smartest engineers are already started building agents. If that's where you want to be, then this Agentic AI Bootcamp from IK is your launchpad. This Agentic AI Bootcamp program is a 12-week live hands-on program where you build agentic applications from scratch and deploy them into production using tools like Google Firebase Studio, LangChain, RAG, MCP. You will go from basic prompt engineering to orchestrating entire AI systems. The highlight is that you will be mentored by the SMEs who have built agentic AI systems in companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and many more. The first 4 weeks of the bootcamp is dedicated to build your AI skills via live coding and coaching sessions. This gives you the strong foundation to work on the industry-grade capstone projects in the next 8 weeks with a one-on-one mentorship and guidance from industry experts on everything starting from architecture to debugging. You will go from concept to deployment with feedback, templates, and expert check-ins along the way. And all of this goes into your portfolio, and yes, it is certifiable. This isn't another AI tutorial. This is you shipping actual agentic AI applications that will think, act, and adapt. To join the Agentic AI Bootcamp, talk to your program advisor today. Start building your future while others are still Googling how. This is Karthika signing off from Interview Kickstart. Can't wait to see what you create.